you seen my chicken? Have you seen my chicken? Have you seen my chicken? She's gone again.
Hi, Blueberry. Little Pinker. And Miss Polly. Yeah, she's a good girl. She's a really good girl.
Chicken early
You're a
in the
little good
morning, like a
boy.
chicken
Little
late at
duo.
night. And if I
Blueberry and Holly, the little duo. So cute.
no, I don't want no other rooster.
It's not.
I should. I don't want a loser, 'cause she's a fine girl in you. Have you seen my chicken? Have you seen my chicken?
My little princess.